Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah. Just in case you're new around here, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. My channel is all about elevating your life through entrepreneurship. So guys, I'm so excited to be bringing this video because I think about a month ago, I started a YouTube series and things have been crazy hectic. So I have not been able to actually film the second part of the series. So here we are today. Today, I am exposing my YouTube income to you guys. I am really excited about this because I knew that you could make money on YouTube. I tried it before. I tried a channel in the past. I worked at that channel for about a year and didn't get that much traction. So if you want to understand the strategies that I use to get monetized in less than 2 months, I'm going to link somewhere up here the video that I explained all of that. It was my very first video in this YouTube series. So I'm not going to make this long. It's not going to be ridiculously long or anything like that, but I want to let you know that I am about to get my second YouTube check within a couple of days. So basically, YouTube has an Adsense program and you are able to make revenue through the Google Ads. So it's complicated the way it actually works, and it's not the same amount that every channel gets paid. It's really based off of the channel's content and how much the advertisers are actually willing to pay for the content. There's a wealth of information already on YouTube about all of the technicalities in regards to the Adsense program, so I'm not even going to try to get in it. However, I do want to say, whenever you watch my videos and you allow the ad to play, or if you click on the ad, then that definitely helps me to be able to make money on YouTube. So I want to take this minute to say thank you so much for watching my videos. And I really appreciate if you let my ads play. Thank you if you do that. Some of you guys have told me that in the comments, and I love that. Thank you. I appreciate it. In addition, I greatly appreciate you subscribing to my channel, recommending my channel to other people, because all of that helps, you know? So sometimes when you find someone who shows value, they add value to your life in one way or another, whether it's entertainment or something educational or whatever, you know, help them out. Watch their ads and things like that, because it really helps them. Because I'm telling you, there's a lot of money that you can actually put into your channel before you even make a penny out of it. And even if you don't put any money into your channel, it's a lot of time that it takes. It took me 2 months to get monetized. I think that the average time is about 6 months for people to get monetized. So you may be really enjoying a creator's videos, but if they have not hit 4,000 hours in watch time, and if they have not hit 1,000 subscribers, YouTube can put ads on it, but that creator does not get paid. So be sure to actually show them love, subscribe to their channel, watch the ads that actually appear, share their channel with other people, because it makes all of the difference. So I babbled on a lot about that. So I got my phone right here, and I am actually going to tell you guys exactly what my first YouTube paycheck was. I can't tell you what my second paycheck will be, because like daily, YouTube uploads it, or should I say updates your amounts every single day. So you may have an average that you make per day. So one thing that I noticed is with my first 28 days, because that's how they segment it in 28 days. My first 28 days, I was making an average of $10 a day. So I was shocked, guys. I was like, whoa, because I remember when I first was eligible to put ads on my video, and I was so anxious. I was so excited to actually like wake up the next morning to see, okay, what did I make? Because I was legitimately expecting it to be like 57 cents. And I would have been so happy about that 57 cents. But it was like $10.17. I was shocked. I was like, oh my God, I cannot believe in one day, just by people watching my videos that I have created, I have made $10.17. So my first payment, I got my first payment on May the 24th. It does take some time for everything to get verified before you actually receive your first payment. So I started my channel in February, and by the month of April, I was eligible to apply to the program. I applied to the program. I had to get verified. I had to upload my banking account information. I had to choose my tax choices, whether I'm, an individual with my social or a business with my EIN number, stuff like that. And I did run into some problems with that, so I end up having to like go back and forth a little bit longer. So truly I would have gotten paid in April, at the end of the month in April, but I had to wait until the next pay cycle. So let me mention something like that too. YouTube also has a threshold. I think you have to hit $100 before they'll send you any money. So you have the opportunity to get like a physical check or direct deposit. Of course, I'm all about automation and convenience, so I chose direct deposit. So my direct deposit amount was $468.08. Yes, guys. In 28 days on YouTube, my first YouTube paycheck was $468, and I cannot forget about the 8 cents. So once again, I am so grateful. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. You watching my videos are really helping me to reach my ultimate goals, and I appreciate it so, so much. Please share my channel, subscribe if you have not already, because again, my channel is all about entrepreneurship and how to find different revenue streams that are sustainable, that could actually make you money. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a huge thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a comment down below. So guys, let me know what else you want to see from me, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.